Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. Like I do here, I talk about finance, I talk about stock, I talk about investment, I talk about different ways, different areas you can earn income online. And today I'm talking about Metaverse. And if you're watching me for the first time, subscribe to this channel so that when I bring new latest information about how to earn more income, you'll be the first to get notified. And if you're an old subscriber, you are welcome. Like, share, comment this video, and give me a thumbs up. Now, what is Metaverse? Metaverse is a concept based on virtual world incorporated into the reality, into the virtual reality, augmented reality, 3D holographic avatars, videos, and other means of communication. That's what Metaverse is all about. Metaverse. The Metaverse is a contribution of metal, and verse, meta means beyond, and verse means universe. Meta means beyond. Meta means beyond, and verse means the universe. The universe. If we spell universe, it's UNIVERSE. That's universe. So the last word, like an abbreviated. So you bring the virtual into the reality. That's what Metaverse means. Okay, and it is used to refer to a futuristic or futurism concept that will offer a hyper-real alternative world for you to coexist in, bringing the virtual into reality and making you as a person or as a computer user to be part of that world. It's a kind of world on its own, and it's a way of earning income. Now, there are different ways you can earn income through this Metaverse. Okay, but let me just go into other aspect of it. So Metaverse interconnect with multiple platforms. There are different platforms you can link up into the Metaverse world. And now, activities will take place by different spaces, engined by augmented reality. Now, each user will be associated with a character or avatar. In some instances, people can attend a meeting using a kind of Oculus VR headset in a virtual setting, and later relax by playing games in the verse. It's a very, very vast, a very, very big kind of operation. Yes, the Metaverse is a world on its own. So it's a place where you can use available resources to live, to work, and to play virtually. Okay, just like what we are doing in the normal activities we get involved in, bringing that into virtual environments. Okay, so that's what Metaverse is all about. In the next video, I will explain further and into details how you can come into this Metaverse and earn income there. I hope you enjoyed this video, and give me a like, give me a thumbs up. Hope to see you in the next video. Thank you and have a nice time. Bye.